Screeching tires, shattering glass, twisting metal, fiberglass. Sirens ragging in the night, sounds of horror, sounds of fright. Intense pain, the smell of blood. Tearing eyes begin to flood. They pull out our bodies one by one. What is going on? We were only having fun. One of my friends is missing. What did I do? Her scattered belongings everywhere. In the road lies her shoe. A man is leaning over me and looking at my eyes. What were you thinking? Did you really think you can drive? He pulled up the sheet to my chest, looking at my eyes. If you'd only called Tipsy Taxi, she'd still be alive. They put her in an ambulance and took her away. The doctor at the hospital yelled, DOA. Her father's in shock, her mother's in tears. She collapses in grief, overcome by the fear. They take her to this house and place her in this box. I keep asking what is happening, but I can't make it stop. Everyone is crying. Her family is so sad. I wish someone would talk to me. I'm starting to get mad. Her mother leans over her and kisses her goodbye, her father pulling her away as she's screaming, why? They lower her body into a dirt grave. I feel so cold. Why was I saved? Then I see an angel and begin to cry. She can't be dead. She's still so young. We wanted to do so many things, like sing and dance and run. What about college or graduation day? What about a wedding? Please, I want her to stay. The angel looked upon me and with a saddened voice, her life didn't have to end like this. You knew you had a choice. I'm sorry, it's too late now. Time I can't turn back. Her life is finished. That is a fact. Why did this happen? I didn't want her to die. The angel, she embraced me with her words. She sighed. This is the consequence you paid to drink and drive. I wish you had made a better choice. If you did, she would still be alive. It doesn't matter if you beg me or plead me on bended knees. There is nothing I can do. She has to come with me. Looking over at her casket, I said my last goodbye. I'm sorry I disappointed you, Brianna. I didn't mean to hurt you or cause you any pain. Now all I'm left with is a grave that bears your name. I'm sorry all your dreams have been ripped away. The plans for your future are all gathered in a grave. It was such a stupid thing I did. I wish I could take it back. I'll never drink and drive again, and that is a fact. Now as I sit in jail for 6 years, I'm regretting everything that happened, my face filled with tears. If only I hadn't taken for granted my first 2 offenses, I wouldn't have drank because of the consequences.